yung direction ng pump prices sa ating mga oil products is going down. Sometimes big time rollback, sometimes more modest rollbacks. What brought this about?
Alam naman natin yung naging positive na effect ng initiative ni President Trump, no? Pagdating doon sa resolution ng Russian Ukraine war. So mukhang positibo na pumapayag na si Putin ay makipag-usap ng truce. It affected the market, no? So yung trading medyo nag-soften. Pag na-resolve yun, kasi ibig sabihin yung Russia at saka yung Ukraine ay magre-resume ng mas malaking export sa world market.
So kahit na binira ng maraming mga traditional or more liberal media si Trump, merong stabilizing effect itong potential o promise that the Russia-Ukraine crisis will finally come to a halt.
Respetado ni Putin si Trump eh. That's what it shows, no? At it's costing the American taxpayers, no? Hundreds of billions every year. Trillion na rin yung utang nila. At nakakatawa, sabi niya, you're giving away dollars, no? So para bang para bang common sense, which is not so common, sabi nga niya. Kaya apektado ang energy sector.